Welcome. Hello. We are back. Welcome, everybody. Good to see you guys. What's happening? What's happening? How's everybody doing on this beautiful day? On this fine, beautiful day. Hey, Flushy, what's up? I have a feeling that we want to break that 347. What do you guys think? And of course, I wasn't here because of family issues during the London session, but now we're here. And here we are. Let's wait for the market open, which is going to happen in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. 'Less than 1 minute to go. Let's see. I think we should be going lower, right? Down to 93 maybe. Somewhere down in that area, I think. At least it should go. Anyway, 30 seconds. Ten seconds to go. All right, we have a bit of a spike here to the upside. Maybe it wants to go for London low, I'm not sure. I really don't know. Maybe not. Who knows? Let's wait for it for now. Kind of a repricing here on this 1 minute gap. Might be spiking higher. Not sure, to be honest. But we'll see. Hey, Bad Mouse, what's happening? Good to see you, man. So we have a sell side, which is basically a London low. I'm not sure if it goes there. It might just gonna spike higher. I would say this is a London low, and obviously we have some buy side as well. So kind of an interesting scenario here. But we'll see if it wants to tap to 400 or not. Hey, Trading Star, what's up? Oh, thank you so much, man. Thank you, Trading Star. Trading Star, I wanted to use your code the other day at MyFundedFutures, but it didn't work. Do you have an active code? I wanted to use... I do want to buy more accounts. So I just bought one account with another code, but I checked your code and it didn't work. Maybe I was doing something wrong. But I think it's your name, like it's Trading Star, right? I checked your channel the other day, but it didn't work. But I'm gonna buy at least 1 or 2 more MyFundedFutures account. Maybe Take Profit Trader ones as well. What is going on so far here? Going sideways. Not much of a movement so far. Ah, okay. I see. Okay. No worries. Then I will try your code with Apex then. Or I'm not sure. I will. I mean, I will. I mean, I have a few people asking me to use their code, but I used. I tried to rotate everybody, but I want to use your code too. Absolutely, man. We've got to support each other. That's how it works. So what's happening here? What is happening with NQ? What's the drill? What is happening? Not sure what it wants to do. We have some equal lows at 93. I'm not even sure if it wants to tap the 400. Hey Green, what's up? Welcome. Kind of an interesting start of the New York session, that's for sure. Kind of wondering if it wants to tap 400 or I don't even know. Well, anyway, let's wait for it. Let's see what it does. It might not even want to go down. Interesting. Just sideways action, not much. And we don't have any major news today, right? All right, so we tapped 400. Just tapped it. What was the low here? Oh yeah, 400 has been tagged. Interesting. The meat grinder day. Oh yeah, I mean pulled beef and chopped pork. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart, by the way. Ever since London. Look at this. Kind of interesting. Oh, definitely Trading Star. I will do that. I will do that. I want to buy at least 2 more or 3 TPT accounts. Weekly, monthly, weave off support pivot. Oh man, that's why we're going so crazy sideways right now. That's why the craziness. Okay, seems like we're going lower. Yeah, there you go. London low has been tagged. And so this was London low. London low. I'm kind of curious if we want to go to 347. Huge support. Yeah. But if we break through, then 347 has to be taken out somehow. Going up. Look at that. It took out London low. What's next now? I wonder what's going to be next. I would like to see this one go to 347. I'm still thinking a little bit to go lower. And we're going. Maybe not. Sideways again. What is... I don't know. I don't get it. What is happening here? Oh man, this is chop fast here. I'm not entering. Man, this is pure barcoding. This is pure barcoding. Proper. Yeah. Proper kolbas, yeah. Proper sausage. Oh man. Not much to do with this. I still believe that I think there's more to do on the downside, at least to sweep that 347. I want to see that happening. All right. I entered a very small short position. Very, very small position here. Let's see how far it goes. I'm trying to target 351 down there. Based on, I mean, I was eyeballing on this level. I mean, for this, there's a 15-minute gap. And there's also a 1-hour fair value gap down there. I mean, yes, we have the 380, but I think we should go down there. So that's why I took the initiative to try to go there. Where is this? Oh man. Here it is. So I just want to get out somewhere above the 50s. I mean, in the 50s. That's it. If it goes higher, then we just bite the bullet and move on. You know how it goes. We just move on. If it would actually go down to the 80s, maybe I would even move my stop because I don't want to hang around in this area. Just wanted to see a proper, not sell off, but at least trying to test that 50s. Martin, good morning. Yeah, 10 a.m. candle obviously gonna tell us more. Okay, so far so good. Yeah. I didn't even check the first fair value gap. Which one was it? I think it was this one. Anyway. So that one was it. I want to see it drop down to the 50s. I mean, not to the 50s, below the 50s actually. 47 would be the spot to go, but I like to see this one Oh man, should have taken a partial here, right? Oh, it's too late now. Dude. Dude, come on, man. What is going on here? This is nasty. Even from NQ. I might have to take a partial TP here. Alright, I took off 2 Connies. Now I'm targeting 51 and that's it. There. At least I secured a bit of a profit there. It's on a funded account, so I'm okay. Should be dropping, yeah. Should be. What is happening? Come on, 50. Come on. Aim for 21,351. Yeah, I aim for that. Yeah, definitely. Maybe you aim for the same too, right? Same TP, let's go. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Well, you know, if it reverses, it can happen. But I think everybody's looking for the 347 as for the 15-minute slash 1 hour gap down there. So come on, baby. We need that 51. We need that 51. Don't do this, but oh, this is dirty. It's doing the dirty game. It's doing the dirty game, man. Needless to say, I mean, there is a gap here that I don't want to. I mean, obviously it can go there, you know, pick up some orders. I think my stop is okay up there. Even if I get hit with break even, I took a partial, so I'm okay. But look at that. It's going to pick up orders. Dude, this is dirty. Yeah, it could be testing the 400 too. It could be testing that. Oh man, tell me this was not dirty. Anyway, made $133. It was only micros. Maybe it will go down again. Hopefully, I mean, not. I don't know. On the 5-minute, pretty much unpredictable. The 3-minute is now repricing. I don't want to jump in again. I pretty much felt like we're going down into that gap, but I think that idea is right now out to the dumpster. Yeah, what a bounce here. What a bounce. Well, no loss, thank God. So small profit there. But this was, wow. This was really something. I wonder if it wants to pop this high. What is this? That's the 940 high. Kind of an interesting area. And I have to disconnect and reconnect. There's an issue with my rhythmic connection here. Okay, what's happening? Are we gonna push higher or not? I mean, it should be pushing all the way up to the 40s now, if this is really a push. The 50-minute has a long wick there. Still has a few minutes to go. No. I don't wanna risk it. It's just too much unpredictable. We do have this gap and that's cool. But otherwise, I don't like it. Should be going up, right? Anyway, could be repricing all the way down to 380. If it tries again, it might gonna go for that 350. But so far, this is good question. It's chop. Yeah, exactly. We can guess all around this, but it's just chop fest at its best. Even if I look at the 5-minute, I mean, yeah. Still like the sell side at 347, but I don't know. Gotta wait, gotta be patient here. It might try to go again for that 350. What do you guys think? I have a feeling about it that it might try to go again. If not, then I'll be looking for that 440. Wow, look at this push. I mean drop. But it could be a trap. Could be a trap. This is the 10 a.m. I mean, we already had the 10 a.m. I know, but I'm just curious how this new hour is gonna look. What's happening on gold? Oh wow. Risk aversion, it seems like. Is this all-time high again? Almost. Wow, gold is just popping. It wants to go for that gap. Gold is popping. So if gold goes like that, NQ can maybe go lower. Or the stock markets as a whole. Chaz, what's going on? Yeah, everything was okay. I have to go. I had to leave my mother at the hospital. I have to go back on Thursday, but it was okay. So Thursday there's gonna be no London stream again. I'm sorry, you guys, but it is what it is. But so far all is good. All right. So seems like we're still just hovering here. Oh man. 5-minute looks ugly. I think we can go up for that 440 maybe. Anyway, right now, again, it's just 50-50 scenario. Don't know anything. I was hoping for that sell side, but seems like the market wants 440. Dude, I just don't know what to do with this. Hey Jay, what up? Able to see 900. Let's go. 900 is 900. Yeah, might have to wait for until 11. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, seek and destroy. Who knows? 5 break-evens in a row. Oh man, that could be mind-boggling. That can actually play with anybody's nerves. You know, what's the lesson? If you see the sideways action, just have to stay out of it on the sidelines, which I have hard time to do nowadays. Are we going down for... I wonder if it tries to go down again for that that 51 or 52s down there. Kind of curious. My original TP was 51.70. No, yeah, the first one was 51.75. Then I modified it to 51. Kind of curious if it wants to do it again or not. Maybe not. At first, we have to break 69. Well, yeah. Kind of crazy, right? Well, it is what it is. So what's it gonna do? I wonder. Look at that. It wants to go lower. Miracle long on that position. No stop loss. Oh man, this is this is dangerous. The whole situation is just dangerous. It can bounce up any moment. So that's why it's a bit of an interesting scenario. This one can bounce all the way up to the 400s maybe. The 400 level is pretty strong, I must say. TP 413. Well, could be. Could be. I'm still a little bit tempted to try to scalp it. You know. Try to do a scalp trade. If it wants to break that sell side at 347. Still don't know yet. $15 minutes still looks ugly. 5 minutes just barcoding out. There's no sign of this one wants to take that sell side right now. It's picking up a bit of a liquidity on this 1 minute fair value gap. I'm not sure. Hey, Shenanigan, what's up? Good to see you, man. Still curious. A little bit tempted to jump in. But it's having major rejection at this area. I'm not sure. Maybe now that we have a new 15 and 5 minute candle, maybe we see some direction. We could be seeing a bounce, taking out some liquidity on the swing highs here. Gotta be careful. There's a new candle. What is the deal here? Okay. So far. Bit of an up spike. Oh, your boy, oh, I'm sorry to hear that shenanigan. Well, I know that sucks, man. Well, today is the last day of the 80% off, so you can still get some new ones on a fairly cheaper price. But I know it happens. Almost all red. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Kind of a scary area here. It feels like it wants to pop higher on every time frame. That it wants to go for that 440s. But who knows? Let's wait for it. Price is still congesting into a small zone here. But I feel more of a bullish movement than bearish right now at this particular moment. But yeah, exactly, shenanigan. But yeah, I mean, today is the last day for the 80%. From tomorrow, it's going back to 50% with Apex. Yeah, I think so too. Price looks like it wants to go. It still wants to go, and that's why I don't know what decision to make here. Should I jump in? Should I? I feel like we could be going up for the 440s. There is a fair value gap. Let me zoom this out. This candle, the high was 42.25. This was the same as well. I'm not sure how does it look on the mini. High was 41.75. 41.75. Okay, so that means that there is a fair value gap here. But just to make sure, so because the mini is lower, I would put this at 41.75. And that's where the nearest liquidity on the upside is. I mean, which is a good level. If it wants to squeeze the shorts, then it should be pushing up there, I think. I mean, that's what I think. $441. Yeah. But if it's not a squeeze, well then, I don't know. 420. 1K shorts. And we have the Vivo up there. Yeah, so this could be an interesting area for liquidity on the 1 minute. And that was not long before the market opened up. First fair value gap, by the way. Where is it? That would be the first fair value gap, I think. This one. So this would be the first presentation gap on the micro. I guess the same on the mini as well. So now we are above the first presentation gap. If this one wants to push through, the best liquidity area would be 41.75 up there, in my personal opinion. So kind of an interesting zone. Yeah, so 441.75 on the mini and 442 on the micro. But very strange price action. Okay, we're back below the first presentation gap temporarily. Still below the first presentation gap. Interesting. Anyway, I took a small long position. Let's see if we get there or not. Where is it? Here. Only with micros. Bit of an aggressive position. Let's see. Oh man, I knew it. I tried to be super aggressive and this is what I get. Are you already short? Yeah, I'm offside here. Oh man. Yeah. This is how you chop yourself up. I'm not gonna do anything. If this one fails, then it's just a crap session to trade. This is such a typical price action that you have to avoid, and I think I don't want to risk of losing anything more than I don't have to. So I actually now kind of regret that I entered into this. Well, I don't know if my entry is good. Still 500 orders. Well, it's not really going my way now. It's just standing still, basically. Yeah, for short orders. Anyway, as I said, that's the only area up there that's reasonable for any kind of short-term liquidity. So yeah, my TP is a bit of in a scary place. I mean, if the narrative is to pick up those orders up there, then it should go through my TP. And it's technically lower than on the mini. The mini has 41.75, so I have mine on a micro at 41.25. If it wants to pick up orders from there, it should take it. But if not, well, at least I tried, right? Man, what a nightmare setup here. Typical NQ. All right. Thank you, NASDAQ. Thank you so much. All right. This was it. Thank you for playing. This was NASDAQ. All right. I'm not going to take any more trades. I'm actually feeling myself to do something crazy. So that's it. I'm not going to do anything. That's it. I'm calling it. This is a crap session. Officially, I'm calling it a super crappy session. And now that it took me out, it might go up there, right? I don't care. All right. You join my long? All right. I just got paid from Funded Futures Network, by the way. So here's the news. After profit split, which is, 80/20%, I got paid from FFN Cap LLC just right now from yesterday. Funded Futures Network got me paid out. So that's good news, at least for today. And everybody, check it out. Funded Futures Network does the buy one get one for free promo again. So $37 for a 50K funded account with no activation fee. Just saying. I think that's the best deal so far. Yeah, I totally forgot to calculate with the 20% profit split yesterday. So I forgot that, but still good. No activation fee. Yeah, no activation fee. 2 accounts for $75. So you have to buy an account for $75. If you want, you can use my code. And you send back your payment receipt to the support. You can check the promo on my YouTube channel in the post tab. I put out all the details. You send it back to them in the email, and they send you 100% coupon code, which you can use only once. And there you go. Buy one, get one for free. Hey, thank you, Joseph. Thank you, Shenanigan. If you consider it, I'm super grateful. I still have to work on my TPT account, that's for sure. I have one evaluation account that needs $120 on TPT. But anyway, this is such a crappy session that I'm not sure I want to trade it. Look at this. No sir, I'm not gonna do it. Anyway, hey Naomi. You blew your TPT account. Oh, sorry to hear that, Shenanigan. Yeah, this, in this market, the best thing you can do is just, stay away. Stay away, because this is not something you want to be in. Actually, I'm gonna call it here. It's a short stream, I know, but I just don't feel mentally capable of trading in these conditions. This is just a bunch of shit and crap. 347 was my original target. I lured myself into a long position, which took me out. Down a few $100s on that brand new MyFundedFutures account, so I'm not happy about it. So thank you so much, everybody. I'll be back tomorrow for London stream. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it and be grateful if you use my code TOMSABO for these deals. Don't forget, today Apex is going away with the 80%, so that expires. Bulenox 91%. MyFundedFutures gives you 3 resets for free. I mean, 3 times per overall per user. So check it out. If you buy an account, you have a free reset too. New users get some other discounts. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow for London. All right. God bless you all. Cheers.